Welcome, children, to our new class where we are going to learn about the things that move and talk. Now, people move from one place to another using different means of transport. So, children, when you have to go to a far off place, what do you use? You use either your bicycle, either your bike, or a car, or you fly in an aeroplane, or you go on a rail. So these are different means of transport that take you from one place to another. So there are three kinds of transport. Now we have three modes of transport from due to which we can move from or travel from one place to another. The first we have is the land transport, then we have the water transport, and lastly we have the air transport. So we can go from one place to another through land, water or air. Now let's see what are the land transports. So land transports like cars, buses, motorcycles, etc. move on land with the help of their wheels. Trains move on tracks. So the land transport, the vehicles that move on land are cars, buses, motorcycles, etc. They take us from one place to another on their wheels. While the trains move on tracks. So there are tracks laid down on many of the ways so that the trains can move on them. Now here we have some of the vehicles that are used for land transport. So you have to read them aloud. So it is TRAIN train, BICYCLE bicycle, CAR car, SCOOTER scooter, BULLOCK bullock, CART cart, it is bullock cart, RICKSHAW rickshaw, BUS bus, MOTOR motor, CYCLE cycle, motorcycle. Then next mode of transport is the air transport. So air transports include aeroplanes and helicopters which you see flying in the air. They carry people from one place to another, and even apart from carrying people, they also carry goods from one place to another. So they are the means of air transport. Even aeroplane is the fastest means of transport we have. So now you have to color the vehicles that move in the air. Then cross out the others. So those vehicles that move in the air, you have to color them and cross those vehicles that do not move in air. So find out those things that move in air. That is the first picture you have that moves in air. The second picture moves in air. The third moves on land. Fourth picture also moves on land, while the fifth picture is on air. So you have to color the first, second and fifth picture because they move in air. Next we have the water transport. So the vehicles that are used for water transport are ships and boats. They are the means of water transport. They carry people as well as goods from one place to another. Firstly, a ship is big. It sails on seas, oceans or big rivers. So, a ship is big and it sails on seas, oceans and big rivers. Then boat. A boat is very small, so it is found in the seas, rivers and lakes. So, it takes you from one shore to the other. A submarine moves underwater. So, there is another mode of transport. So, it is the submarine which moves below the water surface. Then we have the yacht. A yacht is a light racing boat. So it is a racing boat. It is generally used to race on the water. Now we have some words over here and we have to fill in the missing letters over here. So first we have is the word ship. So it is SHIP ship. B yacht. YACHT yacht. Then third one is B-O-A-T, boat. And fourth we have is submarine, S-U-B-M-A-R-I-N-E, submarine. Next we have the fill in the blanks. Now fill in the blanks is to be done all by you. So this will not be done by me. So you have to read the lesson and then fill in the blanks. Now these are some means of communication. So we have read and we can move from one place to another, but for expressing our views and ideas and opinions, we use pen and paper or some other means to display our words or thoughts to other people, like the letter, the telephone, newspaper, radio, television. So these are some modes, some means of communication. We communicate to other people through these means. Now these are the things that we have learned. Now we have a small fun activity. You have to write the names of 3 of your friends and you have to tell which friend goes on which mode of transport. So this will be done by you. Name 3 of your friends in the first column and then tick on the option that they use to travel. So children, I hope you had a lot of fun. And there we end with this chapter. We will meet in our next chapter with something new. So till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.